the fact that my mum was his 24-hour carer and that she struggled just to even have a cup of tea herself, couldn't even keep up with the demands that my father had because of the pain that he was in, the discomfort, and the activities that he used to be able to do. He used to go to work, long hours, have fun, go with his friends. That had changed. His whole life had changed. So it was a case that everybody had to adjust. And the fact that we had the help from Ashgate is massive, because you don't know where to go next. He didn't know what to do next. So with the help, we were able to get him the help that he needed, that we needed as a family. Before, he had no chair. He couldn't get out. He was so dependent on people. It made him quite grumpy. Not the dad that we used to. He would go to sleep for hours just because he couldn't go and do anything else. He was just stuck in a chair, in a corner of an house that he's always been going around freely. He'd lived there for years. He'd just normally go up, get in the back garden, do whatever he wanted to do. But now he's stuck in a chair, in his house, just withering away, really. Chair comes, next minute, he's up, he's out, he's refreshed, he's revived. But that, for us, it was a bigger gift, because we see him change his attitude from being, like I say, unfortunately, grumpy, quite down, quite different. Then he was back to his old self.